Do you love eating dessert, but you need a healthy option? In this video, I'm going to show you one of the recipes that I came up with recently. It's chickpea brownies, and don't count them out yet because they're actually surprisingly delicious. What's up guys, this is Alexia. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like button on this video and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell for notifications because I do try and publish videos as often as possible. I have a wide range of contents from fitness, academics, all the way to nutrition and self-care, all that. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. So in this video, as I just mentioned, I'm going to show you guys the recipe for these chickpea brownies. These are a great dessert because they're high in protein, they have fiber, and they're a fantastic way to get some nutrients in as you're eating a delicious dessert. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So here are the ingredients that you're going to need. Alright, so first you're going to pour the almond milk into the blender, and not gonna lie, I don't really measure anything when I bake this because the recipe doesn't really matter how much you use, so feel free to add more milk later on if you feel like it's needed for blending. Next, you're going to see me adding the chickpeas because that is the bulk of what the brownie is made of. Alright, next comes the cocoa powder. Feel free to add whatever amount you want, and know that the more you add, the more chocolatey your brownies will taste. I also added almond butter, but sorry, I forgot to record it. In order to make the brownies sweet, you'll see me adding dates here. If you don't have dates handy, feel free to use honey or agave instead. And here is the collagen powder that I added after as well. Now you're going to make sure to blend everything up. And the reason that you put the liquid on the bottom is because it makes it much easier to blend. But as you start to blend it, you'll see that it might become too chunky on the top, so make sure that you mix it up sporadically and add more liquids when needed. Once your mixture is ready, take a nice well-greased pan. I used Pam spray, and dump the mixture in and spread it out like you would with regular brownie batter. Then you're going to add your chocolate chips. I like to pile mine on because I love chocolatey brownies. Once that's ready, you're going to put it in the oven and make sure to bake it for 30 minutes. After time is up, your brownies should come out looking like this. So delicious. Make sure to let it set for at least 20 minutes before digging in. Otherwise, your brownies will be too mushy like you see here. However, if you prefer a mushy brownie, you can actually eat it as more of a dip. If you're eating it as a dip, feel free to use crackers. These are my favorite sweet potato crackers, or I use some butternut squash pretzels to enjoy it. However, as I promised, if you give the brownies enough time to set, they will solidify and be in a form in which you can pick them up and eat them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you give it a big thumbs up and are subscribed to this channel. If you choose to try out the recipe, be sure to post it on Instagram and tag me at livelikeLex so I can see your recreation. My tip is that if you don't love the taste of chickpeas, just add a lot of chocolate on the top. That way you're tasting a lot of the chocolate, but you're getting all the benefits of the nutrients in the chickpeas. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day. We'll be right back.